All right, it's 5 a.m. and I am ready to make some money here at the smoke shop. What am I doing today? I am going to connect power to my outlets on this wall. How am I going to do that? So when I roughed these in, I set my boxes and I ran my MC up the wall and I left it hanging out. Outlet box, ran it up the wall, left it hanging out. Outlet box, up the wall, let it hang out, and so forth. So what I need to do today is I need to run that pipe on down here. I need to set a box, and I need to run more pipe along that wall, and I need to set a box wherever I have MC, so that way I can plug my MC into the box, pull wire to the box, and make the connection there. So that's what I'm going to do today. There's also outlets around this other room. I left the MC coming out the other end of this wall. I'm going to plug those into the box today as well. Hopefully pull some wire, get these ready to go. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. All right, got that pipe ran down through there. Got my boxes set. This side's done being piped. All right, so here's the other side of the wall of the smoke shop. My pipe comes in along that beam, over and down into this panel. And this is what I need to do next, is get this pipe into this panel. All right, so what I'm gonna do is come down and go into that panel, and I'm gonna use an LL. And go into the side of it like that. Quick tip, if you hold this like a pistol, if the opening's on the left, it's an LL. If the opening's on the right, it's an LR. This is an LL, so I can use it on this side. If I was coming in over here, I'd need an LR. Okay, so now what I need to do is measure this, measure that up here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a kick up there, kind of like that one. I'm gonna kick that pipe over so it comes down and straight into there. All right, that pipe is in. As you can see, that turned out pretty nice. Matches the other one pretty well. Nice and plumb going down. I like it. Next up on the agenda is pulling wire. And that's gonna be a little tricky with just myself here, but I think I can figure it out. All right, I'm all set up here and ready to go. I have my fish tape and my pipe. My first junction box is over there, so I'm going to pull it to there. Have my wire all set up. Ready to go. All right, I got my wires to my first box here. So what I'm gonna do, the next box is close enough. I'm just gonna feed them right through that pipe down to the next box. All right, so I got my wire to this box here, and I separated the blue circuit there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that blue circuit here in this box here. There's going to be a cord drop hanging down from the ceiling. So I'm going to leave that circuit here, and I'm going to take my red and black circuit down to this next box, and those two circuits will serve these outlets down here. Alright, I got my wire down to here now. So all I need to do is just push a little bit more in that pipe I ran this morning. So I'm going to take my black circuit down that way, leave my red there, push it down to that box. Okay, we're nearing the end. I got wire in each one of my boxes here. I have my MC nearby. So now what I need to do is go through, poke my MC cables into my boxes, and make the junctions up. All right, well, we are going to be all done for today. I was running low on time, so what I ended up doing was I went ahead and I plugged in just those two boxes there, the MCs that is, and then I wired an outlet in down there that's being fed from there. And then I went ahead and landed that one on the breaker over there. That way there's some temporary power over here. But it's getting a little late into my Saturday and I don't feel like being here anymore, so I'm gonna call it a day. See you later. One last thing, I always like to have some snacks with me when I'm working. And so this morning, early, I went and I got donuts. I got my coffee, and I've been munching on these all day today. I ate half a donut earlier, and I set it down here. And these ants are eating the rest of it. Not cool, ants.